Welcome again and again. Today I have a new one for you guys. I grew up on this recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make curry beef. I have my beef washed with vinegar, and this is 2 pounds of beef. On my cutting board I have my green seasoning, garlics, onion, and I get some scallion from my garden, and I have some fresh thyme. And for my seasoning, I'm gonna also put a list: beef seasoning, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, seasoned salt, curry powder, pimento, and the beta pack curry. I go ahead and measure up my seasoning, and it's a tablespoon of each seasoning. I'm gonna start by cutting up the beef. I'm gonna cut up the garlics. Onion. Scallion and thyme. I'm gonna add it straight into the beef. I made this recipe a couple times. Now I'm gonna add my seasoning. Add in the beta curry. Can't cook without the beta curry. Now I finish seasoning the beef. I have my pot, and I'm using my famous Dutch pot, and I use this pot for everything, make curry and everything. I just wash it nice and shiny. I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. I'm gonna add some beta curry into the oil. Now I want to shake off all of the green seasoning. You just want to get it off the beef. And I'm gonna save all this green seasoning to cook down the beef. I'm gonna let the beef fry up in the curry for 15 to 30 minutes. I added a cup of water in with my leftover season and green seasoning, and this is what I'm gonna add to the curry beef, and this is gonna help to cook it down to the final stage. Now I had all leftover seasoning. I'm gonna let it cook for 30 minutes. Place the cover on. Now I'm gonna check on my pot. So 10 more minutes to go. Now it's been on the 30 minutes mark and my curry beef is finished cooking. I'm gonna shut my stove off and I'm gonna make myself a plate, and I would see you guys for the taste test. I have my curry beef on a plate, and I make this already before, and everything is looking good. And I serve it with potato, caramel dumpling, and 1 finger of green banana. Rich curry. Wow. Everything is seasoned well. This curry beef recipe, it's also a dinner recipe. I make this 3 times a week. I bring it forward so everyone can get to make this recipe and try it. And you will love this recipe. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.